Hello ladies and gentlemen, Repetches here, and I want to show you the ending of a famous game from 1999 from Vacanzea between Garry Kasparov and Topalov. So this is considered a masterpiece, so let's take a look. Topalov played Pirt's defense, probably because he was not sure how that Kasparov is big Nidor specialist and he could have outplayed him opening wise. So that's what you get when you play some a bit unsound opening. Yeah, you get a position where you're not according to engine you're a little bit worse, yeah, but it's a game. And black has castled queenside, which looks a bit strange because of this strange pawn structure, and definitely white will try to attack king. So it's not going to happen immediately, but just in 5-10 moves white will try to break through. Rook d8, knight to b6, g3. The problem here is that white doesn't have enough space for this bishop. Yeah, you want to place it to g2 or to h3. Well, it depends on. I think both moves are fine. King b8, lot of arrows. Yeah, you want to move your king to b8. Knight a5. This move I'm not a big fan of. I just want to finish the development and then think what's going on. There's no need to rush with putting your another piece on the side of the board, but that's what Harry did. Bishop h3 and d5. The best move according to engine, I would play probably rook to e8, but Topalov tries to improve his position, so he had this backward pawn and now he might gain some space in the center. Check and rook to e1. A very nice compact position now by Kasparov, except for this knight, but it actually kind of attacking also. So if the tactical idea is to somehow exchange this bishop and then this check can be devastating. d4 and knight d5. Of course you want to open up the game when this king here, and also queen c7 is a threat, yeah, if you move queen somewhere. Queen to d6, and in this position, very famous move played by Kasparov. He took the rook. Engine suggests that black should defend with king to b6, saying that black is totally fine, but I think it's the last what you look into when you try to find the best move. So black took the rook, which is a mistake. And now very important intermezzo move, not to take when after queen b6, so if you give check, then knight to d7, yeah, and some exchanges will happen and black is better, but you need to notice that this queen is overworked. Queen rook to e7 double question mark forces if black takes, then it's mate in a couple of moves. Yeah, check, check, and mate is on c6 next move. So he didn't take it. He played king b6, took the knight. And queen c3. Engine suggests that after rook a7, white is winning, but it's totally not obvious. Very hard to continue because you're not in time. You're giving up this pawn, and a7 is protected, so Kasparov didn't find it. He played queen c3, threatening mate. Rook a7 with another mate threat. Took, and queen c4. Obviously you cannot take the rook because queen b3 is mate. Queen takes on f6, and king takes on a3. So another idea is to capture this pawn on a6 with queen. So Topalov gets rid of this. He opens up the position, check, and king to d1. So this position is winning for white, but with only one move. And I think Topalov could have thought that he's doing very well here. Of course, exchange of queens will immediately win the game for black. And another good thing for black is that they have these pieces in the center controlling these files, and if there is no check, then black can win. Black can actually mate white. And Kasparov played very famous bishop f1, kind of sacrificing it, and if you take the sacrifice, then it's mate in 2 moves. So and again, you cannot check on d3 because this bishop here, so the only thing, and it's the best move which Topalov played, it's counterattack rook to d2. And another brilliant move by Kasparov, rook d7. So you cannot capture with check, and engine won't let me because your rook is pinned. And if you take here, then you take the queen, and that's what happened. So Kasparov took the rook on h8, check, yeah, and that's it. Okay, good game by Gary, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.